Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video, we will be making some homemade cheesecake bites. These are all the ingredients that you will need for today's recipe. First, we will be breaking up the graham cracker cookies to make our crust. Now we will be adding our melted butter and mixing it up to make our crust complete. Now we will be adding the mixture to the cupcake liners and putting them in the oven on 350 for 5 to 6 minutes. We don't want to overbake them because we will be putting them back in the oven again. Now to make our filling: cream cheese, half and half, sweetened condensed milk, and vanilla extract. Add as much sugar as you would like to your recipe. Now we mix it up until it's nice and smooth and firm. Now that our crusts are out the oven and baked, we can put the filling on top and put them back in the oven on 300 for about 15 to 17 minutes. Make sure to keep checking on your cheesecake because you do not want them to get too brown on top. You want them to be nice and firm. Now in the middle of baking, I took some of the cheesecakes out and I'm going to put some of the jam on top and just swirl it around so that it can bake inside of it. You can use any jam that you prefer, or you do not have to use any at all. They are ready to come out the oven, and I'm just going to be decorating the cheesecakes. Now what I am using here is cookie butter that I melted in the microwave. You can use caramel, or like I said, you don't have to use anything at all if you want to have just plain cheesecake. Alright you guys, so this is our final product. So I hope that you guys enjoyed baking with me today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful and blessed day.